Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Build It All team. In this session, I'm going to show you how to find your sales information and how to issue a refund. So the first thing you need to do is go to your website where you've got your products, and on the left hand side scroll down until you get to Super Checkout. Once you've clicked on Super Checkout, it will open up an overall view and give you a graph right at the top if you've had any sales. If you scroll down on the left hand side and you click on Sales, it is going to give you the graph again, and you would be able to filter it by looking up for a buyer's name or the seller name or the different items if you are selling more than one type of item, as well as the status, whether it's completed or cancelled. And if you had refunds, it will show it right there too. And then filter it by date. So I'm just going to click on it and go as far back as possible just to show you how it changes the graph at the bottom. You can see the graph has been changed. If you scroll up, this is where all your products is going to sit. So let's just click on one product. And this is the detail of your buyer with all the information. You would be able to also download the invoice, and you would be able to edit it if you want to add additional information to it. Or maybe the person has changed some detail, or they changed the email address and they want you to change it right there. You can do that too. Here it tells you when it was received, and if you would like to refund this person, this is where you need to do that. If you click on the drop down, you can click on this thing that says refunded to change the status of the specific product. So now let's go and do a refund. So at this stage, this transaction is completed, and that is the status of the transaction. Now for the refund. You can see here by the green highlighted area, there's a little arrow. If you click on that arrow, it can tell you there that you can click on refund. So I'm not going to click on this, because once you've clicked on it, it's going to take you to the process, and this money is going to be refunded to this person's PayPal account. And once that is done, the status will be changed to refund. And that is how easy it is to find your sales information and how to issue a refund.